Welcome to our video on WordPress Multisite. If you're watching this, chances are you're already familiar with WordPress. But maybe you're wondering what happens when you take it to the next level with a multi-site network. Or perhaps you've stumbled upon some weird behavior with your WordPress installation and noticed that there are two WP users tables in your database. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore what's going on behind the scenes of a WordPress multi-site setup and answer the burning question, why do I have two WP choosers tables? So, let's dive into the world of WordPress multi-sites. Alright, when you set up a multi-site network, you're essentially creating multiple WordPress installations under one umbrella. Each site in your network has its own set of tables in the database, but they all share the same user base. That's where things can get a bit confusing. In a single-site WordPress installation, there's only one WP users table. This is where all your users' information is stored, like their usernames, passwords, and email addresses. But when you create a multi-site network, WordPress creates an additional WP users table for each site in the network. Wait, what? Don't worry. It's not as crazy as it sounds. The reason for this is that each site in your network needs its own set of user roles and capabilities. Think about it like a big company with multiple departments. Each department has its own manager, but they all report to the same CEO. In WordPress terms, the first WP users table is like the global users table. It contains information about all the users across your entire network. The second WP users table, which is prefixed with the site ID, e.g. WPT2 users, contains user data specific to that particular site. Think of it like a many-to-many relationship between users and site. A single user can be part of multiple sites, but each site has its own set of users with their own roles and capabilities. It's a clever way for WordPress to manage complex relationships between users and sites in a multi-site environment. To recap, here are the key points to remember. In a WordPress multi-site setup, there can be multiple WP users tables. The first WP users table contains global user information across all sites in the network. Each site in the network has its own WP users table, prefixed with the site ID, containing user data specific to that site. This allows for complex relationships between users and sites, making it possible for a single user to be part of multiple sites. And there you have it. We hope this video helped clarify things for you. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress related content. What's your experience with WordPress multi-sites? Have you encountered any issues or quirks that left you scratching your head? Share your stories in the comments.